In this video, we'll be trying Udio AI. We'll be generating music with it, so we get to know the sharpness, just like we did with Suno AI and Refusion and the rest. We'll be doing same with Udio AI. So just like you can see, I'm on their site. This is their main site. This is how it looks like. Just like Suno AI, the UI is okay for a newbie, or is user friendly. So this is their link. So to generate your music, you just tap on the create here. So you tap on it like this. It should take you to a page like this. So just like you can see, the create is being highlighted here, and I've pasted my lyrics here. I use ChatGPT to generate this lyrics, an R&B lyrics, and I pasted it here. So this is not like Suno. Here, if you are not on the paid version, you don't get access to some stuff, I'd say. So here you can't get access to the style of music you want. You get it when you tap on it. They are going to tell you need to pay before subscribe before you can unlock this feature. It means when you paste this lyrics here, it's going to generate its own type of music for you. You need to be able to access it. You remember my video with Suno AI, I told Suno AI to create an Afrobeat music for me, and it did that. So the lyric is an R&B lyric. The genre, that's the genre I want to generate. But then let's see what this AI is going to do for us. Now let's tap on the create here. They are saying I have only 4 credits. That's I can create only 4 music, and now I'm generating 2 different music. So now let's see. So our music is here, so I'm going to play it for us to listen. They didn't allow us to choose a genre. They just generated the music for us by pasting our lyrics. So now let's see what the outcome sounds like.
Late night whispers, soft moonlight spills through the seams. Your voice, a gentle tune, filling up my silent dreams. Every breath you take, dance. Every touching night is fun. Okay, so I think the first one is melodic. With you, my heart is always stuck. Okay, so I think automatically the AI did glanced through the lyrics and got to know this is some type of R&B type of music. So luckily generated that type of music for us. So it's 2. The first one is passionate, and the second one is a songwriter, like a singer. So, but then with Suno AI, you don't get a chance to do a lot, but you get the chance to select the genre or music you want, the type of music you want, something like that. So it's simple and easy. If you can use Suno AI, you can use this as well. You just hop on the site, tap on the create, copy your lyrics, paste them here, and then you come down here. You select some stuff here, the lyric strength, the prompt strength, the clarity, and the rest. After that, you just tap on the create, and then you wait for your, music to be generated. After generating it, you tap on the 3 dots here, and then you proceed to download it, MP3, wave, or video, any of your choice. So that's it. So that's it on how you can generate music with Udio. It's very much simple and easy. If you are new here, give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.